Hey y'all, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest, back with another Power Hour Clean with Me. Just got back from the grocery store, so I need to put away all these groceries and then get to cleaning. So let's get started. If you're new here, I try to get as much done in 1 hour as possible. So I usually try to start a load of laundry, and then that's kind of my timer to get as much done in the house as I possibly can. That way I can get on with my day. And if you happen to watch this video the day I post it, happy Valentine's Day to y'all. Hope you had a great weekend and had fun watching the Super Bowl if you watched it this weekend. So now I'm going to go ahead and get some things done over on the sink. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this counter, get any germs or any food products that I might have tracked in whenever I was unloading groceries. I have a few things over here on the counter to take care of from last night's dinner and a few cups and things like that from breakfast. So I'm going to get that loaded into the dishwasher, and then we're going to start a load of laundry. Now that the sink is all cleared out, I'm going to go ahead and wash off all of my berries, and I like to have them air dry a little bit before I put them in their glass jars. So that's what I'm doing here. In the meantime, I'm going to go do laundry, make the bed, vacuum, all that good stuff. So thank you again for flying by to watch this. Hopefully it offers you some inspiration or motivation to get some things done around your house. Now that the berries are air drying, let's go over to the bedroom and make the bed for the day. Typically I try to do this in the mornings, but sometimes if I'm heading out to the grocery store, I'll come back and make the bed. Or if I'm just doing the laundry, I kind of make it whenever I get around to it. But it is nice to crawl into a nice made bed at the end of the night. Let me know if you're the same way. And I posted a reel yesterday. I've been using a linen spray for, gosh, maybe like 6 or 7 months now. After I make the bed, I'll just love to spray on a nice linen spray. This one's from the Laundress and John Mayer. You can check it out on my latest reel. So now that the bedroom is done, I'm going to go ahead and fluff up the pillows. We were hanging out in here last night with the Super Bowl, so everything's looking very smashed. There's shoes to be picked up, all that dog toys everywhere. So I just want to get this room back to normal, and then do a quick vacuum in here as well. Now that this room is all cleaned and picked up and vacuumed, I'm going to do the hallway right here in between the den and our bedroom. And then I'm going to head over to the bedroom since I forgot to vacuum in there first as well. Okay, I think by this time our berries should be air dried by now. So I'm going to go over to the kitchen again and get all those berries in their jars. I've noticed that they keep longer in glass jars in the fridge than they do in their normal containers. Let me know if you've tried this little hack that I shared. I'd love to know. So anyway, I think that is all for today. Thank you for flying by during this power hour, and I'd love to hear or say hello in the comments. So let me know what you're up to today and what you're going to do for Valentine's Day. Thanks for flying by.